Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss simultaneous equations related to Add Maths 0606. Let's have a look on the content on the syllabus that solve the simultaneous equation in two unknowns by elimination or substitution method. So we will discuss the advanced level questions related to simultaneous equations. Let's move to question number 1. Now solve the simultaneous equations. दो equations हैं नॉर्मल मैथ्स में आप क्या करते थे? लीनियर इक्वेशंस को नॉर्मली सॉल्व करते थे या मैक्सिमम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को आप सॉल्व करते थे बस. ठीक है. Now let's have a look on this question that first of all, you have to solve it. You can use the elimination method or substitution method. So you can see in one equation, you have to rearrange it and make x or y subject and just put it in the second equation. Now y is equals to 4.5 will be the answer, and similarly just put it in the any of the equation, you will get x. So x is equals to 3 will be the final answer. Let's move to the next question. Paper 2 to May June 2022. Paper 4, question number 4. Now in this question, what we have to do again, we have to solve it simultaneously. So point of intersection means whenever we have point of intersection, it means solve simultaneously. In the previous question, you can clearly see that this is solve the following equations simultaneously. Now here, find the x-coordinate of the point of intersection. So it means that solve simultaneously. I hope that this thing is clear to you. Now, what we have to do is, we have to just put second equation in the first one. Okay, now you can see that how we can simplify it. Just put it over here and you will get equation in terms of x power 4. Now from here you have to use the substitution, like you can say that let u is equals to x square and u square is equals to x power 4. So this will be the equation, and by using this, by simplifying this, we can easily find out the value of u and then replace it with x square, and now just take the square root of it and you will get the final answer plus 0.518 and minus 0.518. So this will be the final answer. Similarly, we will have another answer that is 1.932 and x is equals to minus 1.932. So you can see that we will have two final answers. Let's move to the next question. Paper 2-1, October November 2021, question number 4. Now in this question, you can see that first of all, you have to take the LCM and then you have to simplify it. And if you take the LCM and if you multiply these two surds, you can see that square root of 5 plus 2 into square root of 5 minus 2. So this will be now square root of 5 whole square minus 2 square. So this will be 5 minus 4, which will be equals to 1. And then you can cross multiply it and simplify it. So your final answer will be A is equals to minus 1 by 4 and B is equals to 1 by 4. So this will be the final answer. Let's move to the next question. Paper 2-1, May June 2020, question number 4. Okay, now in this question, we know that we can convert this one. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन आप अगर क्लियरली देखें तो ये आपने log ऑफ 5, ये आपने इसको क्या किया है, इसको आपने किस में कन्वर्ट किया है, लॉगरिथमिक फॉर्म में. सो log ऑफ 5 टू द बेस 10 इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 2y. बिल्कुल ठीक है. इसी तरह log ऑफ 50, बिकॉज अगर बेस 10 हो तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. सो 3x प्लस 4y. अच्छा, अब आपने नेक्स्ट क्या किया है. अच्छा नहीं, अब यहाँ पे एक चीज है ना, इसमें आप कह रहे हो चलो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, तो 2 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई विद टू, कौन सी इक्वेशन को, फर्स्ट को या सेकंड को. ओके, फर्स्ट को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये बन जाएगा 2x और ये 4y. तो अब हम दोनों इक्वेशंस को अगर हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे ना, तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया, तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, -x. और ये वैसे बाय द वे, ये जो फॉर्म है ये क्या बन जाएगी, ये बनेगी आपके पास log ऑफ 5 स्क्वायर विच मीन्स 25. जी, log ऑफ 25 ना, बिकॉज ये पावर रूल आप यूज कर रहे हो. और अगर मैं इन दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, ये बन जाएगा log ऑफ 25 माइनस log ऑफ 50. ठीक है, log ऑफ 50 इज इक्वल्स टू, फर्दर ये क्या बनेगा, -x. ठीक है. और अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई -1 ऑन बोथ साइड्स कर दूं तो ये बन जाएगा x इज इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ 50 माइनस log ऑफ 25. तो फिर ये सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा, x इज इक्वल्स टू log ऑफ 50 बाय 25 विच मीन log ऑफ 2. हाँ हाँ, ये ठीक है. तो y इज इक्वल्स टू लॉग ऑफ, आप इसको खैर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में पुट करो, y इज इक्वल्स टू लॉग ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5/2 या 2.5. बिल्कुल ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट का आंसर ठीक है. बी पार्ट पे आ जाएंगे. I hope that the concept is clear. Let's move to the B part. In the B part, keep one thing in your mind, that whenever we have the half power over here, what we have to do, we have to use the substitution method, like let a is equals to x power 1 by 3. So a square will be equals to x power 2 by 3. So 2a square minus a minus 10 is equals to 0. Now this one is a quadratic equation, and we can now simplify it as 2a square minus 5a plus 4a minus 10 is equals to 0. So you can take a as common. So this will be now a is equals to, no, not a is equal, a into, you can take a as common. So 2a minus 5 plus 2 into 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this will be equals to 2a minus 5 into a plus 2 is equals to 0, which means that we will have two answers, that a plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2a minus 5 is equal to 0, which means a is equals to 2 and 2a is equals to 5, and from here a will be equals to 5 by 2. Now we know that we have to find out the value of x. So a is equals to x power 1 by 3. So that is why we can just substitute it. So x power 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is equals to 2, and x power 1 by 3 is equals to 5 by 2. take cube on both sides. So this will be x is equals to 2 cube, which means x is equals to 8. Similarly, take cube on both sides. So 5 cube means 125 divided by 8. So x will be equals to 125 divided by 8. So this will be the final answer. I hope that the concept is clear. बिल्कुल ठीक है. This will be -2. Okay, -2 और फिर -2 cube is -8. ठीक है, ये -8 होगा. बिल्कुल ठीक है. I hope that the concept is clear, and if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. Thank you.